to make this mask, we need 1 tablespoon of olive oil यानी जैतून का तेल. Since olive oil is a great source of antioxidants, it helps to promote scalp health. Its application on your face helps to reduce wrinkles. 1 tablespoon of honey यानी शहद. The sweet sticky ingredient combined with olive oil helps to trap in moisture. Due to its antiseptic and antibacterial properties, it helps to cleanse the skin, scalp and hair. 2 tablespoons of coffee. Coffee helps to exfoliate your skin. According to a research, the caffeine present in coffee helps to promote hair growth by targeting a hormone called DHT. Now mix all the ingredients well and make a smooth paste.